Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So the question is asking, do the following series converge or diverge? So we have these two expressions, but before we do this one, we have to know two rules. That whenever we have, like, let's say if limit an is not equal to 0, that's always going to be diverges. If it's 0, this is going to be sigma an is going to be diverges, right? Diverge. If n approaches infinity, if limit n approaches infinity, an is equal to 0, sigma an may converge or may diverge. So this is unsure. When we have 0, this is unsure, right? May converge or may diverge. So these are the two things we have to know before we do this problem. If we don't get 0, that's very easy, right? We can directly say this diverges. So let's see what we get right here. So let's go for the first one, and this one, the first one goes limit n goes to infinity, and we have n square plus 3n plus 1 over 2n square plus 4. If you substitute the infinity for this one, this is going to be infinity over infinity. So that's indeterminate, right? So we have to do something. So here in this kind of things, what we do is we divide everything by highest power. So here what we are going to do, we are going to divide everything by highest power. Here the highest power is n square. So if you divide everything by n square, this is going to be 1 plus 3 over n plus 1 over n square, 2 plus 4 over n square, right? And if you substitute infinity now, this is going to be everything except 1 over 2 is going to be 0, because 3 over infinity is 0, 1 over infinity is 0, 4 over infinity 0. So this is 1 over 2. So this is not 0. So this goes under this condition right here. If it's not 0, this diverges. So we can say this diverges. So let's go to the B part. B part, if I take limit n approaches infinity and ln cos n. So ln cos n, and let's take the ln to the front, because ln is a constant, so we can take ln to the front. Ln limit n approaches infinity cos n. Cos infinity does not exist, so we can say this value does not exist. If it does not exist, it definitely not equal to 0, right? Not equal to 0. So if it's not equal to 0, then it diverges. So this also diverges. So that's how we do these kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.